two eigenvalues are same is how to find eigenvectors. What I done? Suppose what I told, if three equations are same thing, you will get, you cannot get the eigenvectors. If you solve this, what you will get, all eigenvectors 0, 0, you will get, don't take actually. In this case, what you will take? You take one equation, then what you will do? Just you can, one equation is equal to x1 is equal to, in terms of x2, x3 you can write. Then what you will do? Put x2 is equal to k1, x3 is equal to k2. First case is what? K1 0, K2 1, then K2 0, K1 1, like this you can do. Correct? Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now we go for
Sir,
three. Yes.
So could you give one more example of two eigenvalues similar? Because I could not understand I couldn't understand yesterday's example.
That up to clear actually, how to write actually that eigenvector last stage, up to last stage clear are you?
Yes, sir.
Up to eigenvector stage, okay. If I substituted means up to here clear, you are clear?
Yes, sir.
What problem we have done? 3, 3, 5, huh? What problem we done? 3, 3, 5, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 3, 3, 5.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. In which two eigenvalues are same, sir?
That is 3, 3, 5, huh? Minus 3, minus 3, 5, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
-3, -3, 5.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Wait, I will check the problem. Maybe that is in my textbook. That textbook is in my home. Wait, this problem. Can you tell the matrix at least? You have matrix with you?
Yes, sir.
Then tell me. Wait. Come on, tell me.
-2,
-2.
2 -3, 2 1 -6,
2 1 -6.
-1, -2 0.
-2.
0.
Correct. And correct, is it correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Now what I will do? I prepared a minus lambda. I got -3, 5. I got everything done actually. Lambda cube minus s1 into lambda square plus s2 into lambda minus s3. Everything I got. After solving also, I got lambda is equal to -3.
ആളുടെ കൊണ്ട് തരണം. എനിക്കറിയില്ല, എടുത്തു പോ.
At 5 also I have done.
എടുത്തു പോമാ.
Yes. What Anand? What you want? Abhinandana Ananda.
Sir,
5 also I have done actually. 5 also I have done. Mute your mic, sir. Then -3, how to do is what? First you can frame the equation. But to find eigenvectors, what you will do? A minus lambda I. This everything I know, familiar. So -2 minus lambda, 2 minus 3, 2 1 minus lambda minus 6, -1 minus 2 minus lambda. x1, x2, x3 is equal to 0. This is equation 1, something I take. Now, what I will do, in this equation put lambda is equal to -3. What will you get, tell me? In this equation if you put -1 means -3 means what will you get, tell me? This matrix become what?
1.
Wait, come in. 1, 2,
1 2 -3.
there is no change. 2, 4,
-6. 2 4 -6.
Yes, sir. 4 4.
4, 4. Then third fellow,
-1, -2, and 3.
3, sir.
correct? Yeah. Now if you see, what is the first equation? x1 plus 2x2 minus 3x3. Second equation is what? 2x1 plus 4x2 minus 6x3. First equation if I multiply by 2 means second fellow coming. First equation if I multiply by -1 means third equation. There is no three different equations. All are same only. All are same only. In this case, what you cannot get, what I told in any determinant, any two rows or two columns are equal means what determinant becomes 0. If you take any two equations, same equations, what I said, x1 you will get 0, x2 you will get 0, x3 you will get 0. So don't take. That are the trivial solutions. Trivial solution we cannot take. So in this case, what I will do means what? First take any one equation. 2x1 plus, sorry, x1 plus 2x2 minus 3x3 is equal to 0. 2x1 plus 4x2 minus 6x3 is equal to 0 minus x1 minus 2x2 plus 3x3 is equal to 0. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Up to here clear?
Yes, sir.
Now take any one equation. Three are same fellows, any one equation. I am now taking first equation. Clear above here? Taking first equation, how I am writing x1 is equal to minus 2x2 plus 3x3. So put x2 is equal to k1, x3 is equal to k2. Now my x1 become what? K2. Suppose if you write eigenvector, what I will get? Minus 2k1 plus 3k2, k1, k2. Am I correct? x1 is equal to this fellow, x2 is equal to k1, x3 is equal to k2. When lambda is equal to minus 3 means I want to get minus 3 repeated twice. So I want to tell you two eigenvectors. Correct? Up to here clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now what I will do, I have so many solutions. For K1, K2 will have infinite number of solutions. In particularly, I will take nicely, I will select K1 is equal to 0, K2 is equal to 1. Then K2 is equal to 0, K1 is equal to 1. If you want, you can take K1 is equal to 10 lakhs, K2 is equal to 20 lakhs. It doesn't matter, you will get. So I don't want conflict, only simple values I am taking. So many values allowed, any value, but it satisfies, obviously such a way these two will exist. These two edges means what automatically this will exist. This doesn't matter what you are taking. So if you choose K1, K2 means what? Obviously x1 according to that fellow will come. Correct? So what I will choose here, I will choose case 1. K1 is equal to 0, K2 1. So my eigenvector, what I will tell me? Substitute here.
So 3, 0, and 1.
Very good. 3. Next, case 2. K1 is equal to 1, K2 is equal to 0. What I will tell me x2?
Minus 2, 1, and 0.
Already 5 I got one eigenvalue. What is telling me one eigenvector I got in 5? For 5 something I got.
It's minus 1, minus 2, and 1.
But this is what? This is lambda is equal to minus 3. Lambda is equal to 5 means what? Minus 1.
Minus 2 and 1.
So this is the way of doing. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Copy down fast at least this part. Those who are not understand.
Yes.
What Pranay Bhargava, what do you want?
Sir, so if two values of if two eigenvalues are same, so K1 and K2 should always be 0 and 1, na? And 1 and 3 respectively.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
If three repeated means what you will do? Such a way you can change K1, K2. This fellow you can make 0. What you will do that time? Put K1 is equal to 3, K2 is equal to 2. Automatically this fellow becomes 0 or not?
Yes, sir. Full thing will become 0.
If three are repeated, I am talking. If 3 are repeated, such a way top fellow you can make 0. Correct? So that is third case you can write. This is only I am discussing two cases only. Two eigenvalues are equal means I am talking. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Copy down.
Sir, for the first year we have integrals and all, sir.
What?
We have integrals and all, sir, in our syllabus.
What integral I'm not understanding.
No, sir, I'm asking whether integration is there in our syllabus, sir, for
It
engineering
will
maths.
come where we can. Integration is there. Maybe we will get actually. There is no integration. You can, the syllabus you have received, you know. I not sent you.
Yes, sir.
You will have actually beta gamma functions integrations that different actually. I will send you syllabus actually. Wait. In ODE also, application of ODE also, there is no integration, only differential part only. Second semester, maybe you will get integration, multiple integral like this. First semester, you don't have that much of integration, maybe you will have one or two places. Correct?
Okay, sir.
Second semester, you will go deeply. Double integral, triple integral, in vector also integration. Everywhere you study integration. Complex integration. But you name only integration, but you never study integration. There's formula and attack like this. Everywhere integration. First year only application of differentiation only maximum. Algebra and calculus this is. Now what I want to do? Two roots are same. No, three roots are same. I want to discuss. Wait.
Sir,
Yes.
so what will be our portions
Tell me.
for the first semester? It'll be the matrices chapter.
First cycle
Portions
test
for
one is first unit. First unit.
Okay, sir.
Book I sent you know that Veerarajan book will be useful for 2 semesters for you.
Okay,
I will
sir.
send you syllabus actually. I thought I sent you syllabus. I forget. And today I will send you on classroom. I update syllabus. Correct?
Okay, sir.
Don't worry.
Okay,
I will
sir.
update syllabus. Now this problem you can try at home actually. You will get lambda is equal to 1, 1, 3. So 2 eigenvalues are repeated. Just you can try. Copy it, question copy it, try attach at home. Just try. Okay. 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 0, 0, 1. Lambda is 1, but you can every story you can do. To find eigenvalues, you can write characteristic equation determinant of A minus lambda is equal to 0, 2 minus lambda, 1, 1, 1, 2 minus lambda, 1, 0, 0, 1 minus lambda. Determinant is equal to 0, that is equal to, you can write lambda cube minus S1 lambda square plus S2 lambda minus S3. Then what is S1, S2, S3 you can find, then you will get the equation, then you can solve 1, 1, 3. Then you can go for eigenvectors. These all stories complete. Okay. Now take another problem. Find the eigenvalues and eigenvectors of. Shall I rub out this question? Shall I rub
Yes,
out?
sir.
Yashvardhan, some fellow he asked, he joined actually. I don't know like this. Anyway, Yashvardhan is there. Yashvardhan in meeting.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Joined as a okay, then look. Right. Now find the eigenvalues and eigenvectors of I think this problem we completed. You remember or not? I don't know. Complete or not?
I'll check, sir. 1 minute.
Oh.
Yes, sir. We completed this.
Now, what is the roots?
Once. -1, -1, -1.
Very good, nice. But some story I will write actually, because there if you continue, you can continue taking that problem. Or again we start. This is what to find eigenvalue is what CH equation is what. Just I will skip the steps. Again go over to try if you want. A minus lambda is equal to 0. This implies what? 6 minus lambda minus 6, 5. 14 minus 13 minus lambda 10. 7 minus 6. 4 minus lambda is equal to 0. This will use what? Lambda cube minus S1 lambda square plus S2 lambda minus S3 equal to 0. Everything I know, but taken for granted, I am taking actually, but you can try. This is what you will get actually.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can you please tell once again what is S1, S2, and S3?
You want to know, huh?
Yes, sir. Please tell what is S1, S2, and S3.
Ah, very bad. Okay.
I had a network issue, so I had to leave the
But I
class.
sent
and
you one actually one playlist I sent you. Have you checked actually? Matrices fully is there. Whole chapter is there. In my channel, one playlist I prepared. Matrices have you got actually? Oh, you are not received actually.
Sir, could you whatever video you upload, you record in the class, can you upload it directly to the GCR?
I will upload,
Yes,
don't worry,
sir.
because I am preparing that. But not only that actually, another playlist I prepared separately. Matrices fully 30-40 videos. Fully that whole chapter I completed separately. I will send you that also. Okay, this also I will tell you. Don't worry. Again I will send you. Tell you.
No, sir. Can you just please say what? Please tell what does S1, S2, and S3 denote?
Yes, I will tell you. I will tell you.
Okay.
What is S1? Tell me. A11,
Diagonal.
A22, A33. What is S2? Diagonal elements minus
Four factors of diagonal
M11,
elements.
M22, M33.
M22, M33. What is S3?
So determinant.
Determinant of U.
Now from this you can tell what is the A11, A22, A33. Tell me. 6 minus 13 plus 4. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Diagonal, sum of the diagonal elements. 6 minus 13,
-3.
4. That is equal to how much?
-3.
Minus.
-3, sir.
Now minor, diagonal elements minor. So,
So 3, answer is 3.
this row is column. Minus 13 into 4. All the minus in formula minus. So, minus plus 16. 4 13 means what? 40 plus 12. 52, 52 minus 52 plus 60. How much?
Plus 8.
3.
Plus. Then minor of minus 13 is what? A this fellow. 6 4s minus 35. 24 minus 35 how much?
-11.
Minus 11, sir.
Minus
11.
minus
11. 1 1.
very good. Then minor of 4 is what? 6 into minus 13 is what? 60 plus 18, 78 minus 78, then 60 to 14
The answer is 6.
plus 60 plus 24, 84. Correct? Huh? How much?
6.
Huh?
Plus 6, sir. Plus 6.
So this fellow is equal to how much?
3.
Huh?
Plus 3, sir.
3.
+3, sir.
Determinant you can find out. I don't want to do. You know, if people know. Determinant, tell me. What is determinant?
-1.
Confirm.
-1.
Yes, sir.
Now come back and substitute lambda cube minus S1.
3 lambda square.
This will also minus plus
3 lambda square. Plus 3 lambda. 3 lambda. Plus 1 equals 0.
Now put lambda equal to plus 1 minus 1. Otherwise, this is directly lambda plus 1 whole cube.
-1, -1, -1.
put lambda is equal to -1, then synthetic division, then you can come back. Correct?
Yes, sir. -1, -1 is answer.
I think that part you know. Put lambda is equal to -1, then it's a mathematical induction. -1 plus 1 -2 plus 2, where it's become 0, stop, then you can go. Correct? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Now lambda is equal to -1 -1. Up to here, clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you once again tell lambda plus 1 whole square?
Oh,
Last step, sir. Lambda plus 1 cube.
this actually what you will do means what? Put lambda is equal to 1 is become 0, no. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Then put lambda is equal to -1. Lambda is equal to -1 is what you get, minus plus 3 minus plus 1 is equal to 0. So lambda is equal to -1 is 1 root. Okay, yeah?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Am I correct or not?
No,
Now,
it's-
this equation I can write lambda plus 1 into something. Are you agree?
Yes, sir.
This whole third degree equation, how can I write? Lambda is equal to -1 is root. Lambda plus 1 means what? Factor. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, this whole fellow, how can I write? Lambda plus 1 into something. This something, how can I find? Using synthetic division. Using synthetic division. You remember or not? See, this I will rub off again. I will take this equation. Can I rub off here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, lambda is
Lambda
equal to
square plus
-1. Now, wait. First, I will have to complete. Listen. Now, those who are not quick. Now, lambda cube coefficient, lambda square coefficient, lambda coefficient, constant. Then, first number below always you can write 0. 1 plus 0 is how much?
1.
1, sir. 1, sir.
1. This you can minus means what? This is root actually. Lambda into -1, you can
Yes,
take
sir.
-1. So, 1 into -1, how much?
-1.
-1
3 minus 1.
Plus 2.
2.
-3
2 into -1.
-2.
-2.
3 into -2. Sorry, 3 minus 2.
1. 1.
One, one.
Plus 1.
1 into -1.
Minus 1.
If you don't get this is 0, it's not a root. You have to get 0. After satisfying here only you can go there. Some people they will start there only when getting it right. Don't try. If you get 0, you can come here. Correct?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
will there be
Yes,
any
sir.
will there be any problems where there is no root?
What? No.
Will
How
there be
can
pro-
you- no root? They won't do like a problem. You don't worry. 100% roots
Okay,
they
sir.
will give. Without roots are there, that is in different way, attacking. That numerical methods, that is in get 4th semester, not now. Your mechanical students will get 4th semester. How to attack that is different story. Here, guarantee you will get in 1st semester. You don't worry about it.
Okay, sir.
I cannot say there is no problem, such a problem like this. Your asking doubt is clear, but according to your level, guarantee you will get root. If you don't get means what, you are making mistake, no doubt.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, what I will do, lambda is equal to -1 is what organized lambda plus 1. Already 1 degree I taken out. From 3rd degree I taken 1 degree. Now, this fellow starts from where?
Lambda square, sir.
2nd degree. Already 1 degree I pulled off. So, remaining is what? 2 degrees. So, 2nd degree is what? Lambda square plus 2 lambda plus 1 is equal to 0. This you can break. A square plus 2ab plus b square is what? A plus b whole square. So, lambda is equal to what? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Copy down pass. Those who are not understand this again.
Sir, can eigenvalues be 0?
If you take guarantee, you'll get 0. No, cannot be. 0 means trivial solutions. Non-trivial, you have to find out.
Okay, sir.
0 is obviously true. That is called dependent, independent. Lot of stories there behind story. But that's why we are telling non-trivial telling. Infinite solutions are there. 0 means trivial actually.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Can we take lambda plus 1 the whole cube is equal to 0, and then on taking cube root on both sides we'll get lambda plus 1 is equal to 0. Then lambda is equal to only minus 1.
Lambda plus 1 whole cube means degree is what actually? Actually polynomial degree is what?
3, no, sir.
3 means how many roots will you have?
3. Okay, sir.
3 roots. How can you say what you are telling? Okay, lambda plus 1 whole cube is equal to 0. 0 for infinity also 0 only. No, not defined. 0 for 10 also 0 only. But we cannot say that is actually. Correct? See the degree here.
Okay, sir.
Degree of the polynomial 3 means you have total 3 roots.
Okay, sir.
Done, sir.
Done now? Okay. Now, right. Once if you get the lambda means what I am telling, to find eigenvectors you can write a minus lambda into x is equal to 0. That you know another part you can write to find. Shall I rub this here?
Yes, sir.
Somebody asked, okay, clear. Lambda, how you got? Somebody asked, who is that? Sarvan Deshpande. Okay. Clear? Shravan. Sarvan.
Sir, yes, sir. Okay, sir. Completed, sir.
Right. This is matrices. To find eigenvalues, that is determinant. This is matrices. Lot of difference is there. Sir, who is A? Tell me A. What is my A?
Sir, 6. 6.
Okay, I will write 6 minus lambda. Then
Yes, sir. Minus 6.
minus 6,
5.
5. Second row,
Sir. 14.
14,
Minus 13.
minus 13, minus lambda, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
This fellow,
10. 10.
third row,
7. 7. 7.
7,
Minus 6.
minus 6,
4. 4 minus
4,
lambda.
4 minus lambda, correct?
Yes, sir.
Correct or not? Into this matrix, how can I write? X1, X2. Now, what is my lambda? What is my lambda?
Minus 1.
Substitute
Lambda
here.
is 1.
Put minus 1 here in this equation. What is it?
7.
What is it? Tell me.
7
7.
minus 6,
Minus 6, 5.
14,
Minus 12.
minus 12, 10, 7, minus 6,
5.
5.
See, look at this, you understand or not? First fellow multiply by 2 means second fellow. First fellow multiply 1 means third fellow. There is no three fellows. Same fellow in different dresses, they are wearing and standing in different positions. Morning in here, evening there, afternoon somewhere he is standing. Actually, only one fellow only in different stages is standing. Correct? So, what he told by finding the eigenvectors, if two equations are same, you don't take, I told. In three equations, two different, in which are two you can take. Suppose three are same is what you cannot play. But we can play, that is in different way we can play. That rule of cross multiplication we cannot do. Now write equations you can frame now. Come on. What is my equation? Tell me.
Sir, 7x1, 7x1
Ah.
minus 6x2 plus 5x3.
Again, second equation.
Second is 14x2,
14x2.
14x1, sir,
Ah.
minus 12x2 plus 10x3.
Third fellow.
7x1 minus 5x3, 6x3, 6x2
Yeah.
minus 6x2, sir,
Ah.
plus 5x3.
Come on. Now I will write. So what you told, I am trusting you. Now three fellows are same or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now take first equation from this auxiliary. 7x1 is equal to 6x2 minus 5x3. Are you agree?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
x1 is equal to 6 by 7x2 minus 5 by 7x3. Are you agree, sir?
Yes, sir.
Now only story will start, because here how many eigenvectors I want to find out? How many eigenvectors?
Sir, 3.
3. But 3 eigenvalues are same fellow, only one fellow only. Correct? Now
Yes,
only
sir.
story will
Same.
start. Now what you will do? Put x2 is equal to what?
K1,
K1,
x3 is equal to
K2, sir.
K2.
k2. Right. If I put x3 is equal to k. Now my eigenvalue become what? Plus or minus or plus. Plus 6 by 7 k1 minus 5 by 7 k2 k1 k2. Are you agree, sir? Sir, are you
Yes,
agree
sir.
or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
No doubt.
Sir, can you repeat?
See, any one equation I am writing, 7x1 is equal to, because 3 are same fellows only. Taking this equation I am writing 7x1 is equal to 6x2 minus 5x3. x1 is equal to 6 by 7x2 minus 5 by 7x3. x1 is equal to, I am writing in terms of x2, x3. Now I am putting x2 is equal to k1, x3 is equal to k2. Now my x1 become what? This k1, k2. 6 by 7 k1 minus 5 by 7 k2. x2 is what? K1. x3 is what? K2. My eigenvalue is what? Small x1, small x2, small x3 are eigenvalues. Capital X1 is equal to x1, x2, x3. Capital X2 is equal to x1, x2, x3. Capital X is equal to x1, x2, x3. I want to find 3 eigenvalues. In that shape I written. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any problem?
No, sir.
Prashit, okay, yeah. Please ask a doubt. Prashit,
Yes, sir.
okay, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, clear. Now my story will start. I want to find 3 different eigen vectors. So slowly I will do. Shall I copy this? Copy it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Copy it, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I record?
Yes, sir.
Now case 1. Put K1 is equal to 0, K2 is equal to 1. Then tell me what is my x1?
Minus 5/7, 0
minus
and
5
1.
by 7.
So
Minus
minus
5,
5 by 7, 0 and 1.
0, 1. This can I write actually? Are you agree?
Yes, sir.
Are you agree or not?
Yes,
Row
sir.
and multiplying by 7. Some people what they will do, in some textbooks, put to K2 is equal to 7, K1 is equal to 0. I don't want to confuse. Always my style is what? 0, 1. If it any common is what? Finally I will multiply. What is the problem? Any problem? Sir, getting or
No,
not?
sir.
Some
Yes, sir.
textbooks they may confuse you actually. Put K1 is equal to 0, K2. Now you will get doubt. Why he is telling always 1 times 0, 1, 1 times 0, 7. Don't confuse always 0, 1, 1, 0. After reaching some stage, I will see. Okay, 5 by sum is somewhat awkward, not good look appearance. That time what I do? Whole thing I multiply with 7. Because
7. Yes, sir.
these are
Yes, sir.
just vectors. You can play with anything in vectors actually. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Any problem?
No.
Vector you can play with always 0, 1 and 1, 0. Some textbooks may be telling different way. If you understand, if you feel easy, that also can follow. I am not telling you can follow my method only. Which you will feel easy, you can follow. Always welcome. Now case 2. Case 2 how you will do? What is case 2?
K1 is equal to 1, K2 is equal to 0.
Very good. K1 is equal to 1. K2 is. Now my x2 will tell me what is become. Come here and substitute here. What you will get?
6 by 7,
6 by 7.
6 by 7.
1,
1,
1.
0.
0.
0.
Now this whole fellow multiply by 7. What you will get?
Yes, sir. 6,
6,
7,
7,
0.
0.
Now happy? There is no crash also. Everything we got smoothly. Any problem?
No, sir.
Now
No, sir.
actually story starts. Up to 2 eigenvalues happily I told. Now third case how you will do? I want to make this fellow 0 such that you can choose K1, K2. How?
Sir,
5 and K2 6.
Sir, multiply K2 coefficient with K1 and K1 coefficient with
Yes.
K2.
Yes. Let's start with now. Now tell me.
Multiply the reciprocals. So multiply
Ah.
the reciprocals.
How you will reciprocal means what you will do? Tell me.
So put
Okay,
K1
that is
as
our
7 by 6 and K2 as 7 by 5.
Oh, you are telling like that, huh? Otherwise, you can
Yes,
what
sir.
you said is that previously 1 5 you said put K1 is equal to 5, K2 is equal to 6.
Yes, sir. That's
This
also.
coefficient you can multiply this fellow multiply with.
Yes,
What
sir.
you said also correct only, no problem.
Okay, sir.
You are making 1 minus 1 0, but what you said actually 0 you made. K1 is equal to 1 because denominator same 7. So put K1 is equal to 5, K2 is equal to 6. What you will get? Tell me. 0 or not?
35, 30 by 7. Yes, sir. Both 0.
Yes, sir. 0, sir.
So I will choose what you said is also correct only, don't worry. But I will choose this method only. Case 3. Put same answer you will get, don't worry. K1 is equal to what? 5. Finally, you have to divide by multiply by 7 if you take that method. But good only, that is also good idea. K2 is equal to what? 6. Now, my x3 is what? Tell me.
0,
0,
Ah.
5,
5.
6.
You get that, so that boy, some boy is there, you know. That boy will get 5 by 7, he will get 6 by 7. But here, what
Multiply by 7 then.
5, 6.
5 by 7, 6 by 7, that boy will get. I am getting here 5 and 6. After 5 by 7, 6 by 7, what I will do? Throw out, multiply by 7. Finally,
7.
I will reach this place. Nothing will happen.
So case 3 is for 3 eigenvalues same, no?
Yes. First
Okay.
eigenvalue over, third eigenvalue over, second, third over. 3 eigenvalues we got for 3 values.
Okay, sir.
3 eigenvalues you don't have, only one eigenvector. For 3 different eigenvalues, each eigenvalue, this is the way.
ఓపెన్ మనీ answer సార్. ஸ்க்ரீன்ல கொஞ்சம் மிக்ஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க.
Okay, clear or not? Any problem? Sir? Hello?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yes, sir. All clear, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yes, sir,
Now,
clear.
if 3 different eigenvalues also, you can able to do the eigenvector. If 2 different eigenvalues also, you can able to do the eigenvector. If 3 different eigenvalues, so 3 are same also, you can able to do the eigenvector. Okay. Now eigenvector story over. After that again I will come back eigenvector in different story. For this next topic I will go Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Clear? Copy down, check it about.
Sir, 1 minute.
Oh, copy down fast.
Yes, sir, done.
Yes. Tell me.
Done, sir.
Any problem? Now we can take properties of eigenvalues. Suppose if we have a 3 by 3 matrix, how many eigenvalues will you have?
3.
3. Suppose if you consider as a matrix is third order, you will have 3 eigenvalues. Now, sum of the eigenvalues is suppose if A is n matrix means what nth order means what n eigenvalues will have. N order means what you will have eigenvectors L lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3, so on lambda n. Now, sum of the eigenvalues is what lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3, so on lambda n is equal to what? Trace of the matrix, sum of the elements, diagonal elements. Suppose if we have third order means what? How many eigenvalues we have? Lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 is equal to what I will get? A11, A22, A33. Correct? Any doubt? Nth order means n eigenvalues will have. Sum of the eigenvalues is what? Lambda 1 plus lambda 2 plus lambda 3 is equal to what? Trace. Sum of the trace means what? Trace means what? Sum of the diagonal elements is called trace. A11 plus A2 plus A33. Main diagonal. That is called principal diagonal. Okay, any doubt? Hello?
No, sir, no doubt.
No, sir.
Then
No, sir.
product of the eigenvalues is what? Just say I'm considering third order only. Nth order we can forget about it. Product means how we
M11 plus M22.
lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 is equal to determinant of A. And not only that, if you take any 3 by 3 matrix, 1, 2, 3, 0, 5, 6, 0, 0, 7. If it is upper triangle or lower triangle, and diagonal below 0 or above 0 means what you can say, these elements are the eigenvalues, blindly.
What, sir?
If it is upper triangle or lower triangle, upper triangle means what? The diagonal below all elements are 0. Correct or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if it is triangle, upper triangle matrix or lower triangle matrix, then you can say the diagonal elements are the eigenvalues. Taken for granted.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Without solving.
Okay, yeah. Looking the matrix, you can see blindly my eigenvalues is what?
157.
157.
Closing your eyes and you can take. Correct? This is the properties of lot of things are there. One by one you can keep in mind. Slowly we develop. Any problem?
No, sir.
Right. Now these two are very important. Sum of the eigenvalues is what?
A11 plus
Trace of
A22 plus
matrix.
A33.
Trace. Sum of the
Yes,
diagonal
sir.
elements is what? Sum of the
Trace.
diagonal elements. Product of the diagonal elements is what?
Sir, date.
Determinant of
Determinant of.
Date.
That
Yes,
we can
sir.
remember. Very, very important. Next. Suppose if A is a matrix with eigenvalues, lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3. Suppose I am taking third order A. Nth order means I will have lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3. Okay, just for understanding third order I taken. Whatever may be order, this is satisfies for all orders, it should satisfy. Correct? Huh? Now,
Sir, we can't see what you have written. It's blur.
okay. If A is a matrix, sir, suppose third order I am considering. Suppose A eigenvalues are lambda 1, lambda lambda 2, lambda 3. Then A transpose eigenvalues are what? Same thing you will get. Eigenvalues of A is equal to eigenvalues of A transpose. Both
A
are same.
transpose.
Correct?
Sir.
In the problem? Suppose A eigenvalues are lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3. A inverse what you will get, tell me? You don't know, no problem. Just if you guess and tell me.
Minus lambda 1, minus lambda 2, minus
No,
lambda
no, no. A inverse with not minus.
1 by
So
lambda
1
1?
by lambda, 1 by lambda 2, 1 by lambda.
But actually matrix of A inverse is not also 1 by A. Correct? You don't link, suppose he is agreed 1 by lambda means A inverse means don't say 1 by A. So what you will get adjoint A by determinant A. That lot of story remember studied in lower standard. Correct? So A inverse become what? 1 by lambda 1, 1 by lambda 2, 1 by lambda 3. Sir, any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. Suppose A is equal to lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3. Why I am telling lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3? Here, just for sake of convenience, I am considering third order only. Don't tell only 3 eigenvalues only. Fourth order means 4 eigenvalues. Fifth order means 5 eigenvalues. Nth order means n eigenvalues. For understanding only, just I am taking 3. Don't stick on only, said only 3 for 4. I don't know like this. Don't tell. Suppose for A square, what you will get? Tell me.
Lambda 1 square, lambda 2 square, lambda 3 square.
Very good. Nice, nice. Lambda 1 square, lambda 2 square, lambda 3 square. Correct? Then A plus AI, what you will get? Tell me.
Lambda plus AI1 something.
Hey, don't tell I actually, that is number. This is matrices.
Not sure.
Lambda 1 plus okay up to K, okay. Why are you telling I?
You asked to try, sir.
Okay. But I is matrix there actually. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Huh? We
Yes,
cannot add one number to the matrices. But eigenvalues, how it will appear? Tell yes now.
So lambda plus k.
Very good. Suppose A plus 2i is what you will get? Lambda 1 plus 2, lambda 2 plus 2, lambda 3 plus 2. Correct? Any problem?
No, sir.
So could you repeat, sir?
Lambda 1 plus k. This
Sir,
is
could
a
you
number.
repeat from the
That is
beginning?
matrix. Don't confuse this and that. Okay? Lambda 2 plus k, lambda 3 plus k. Any problem?
Sir, can
no,
you
sir.
just
I didn't
repeat
understand, sir.
again the whole thing, sir?
If A is lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 with eigenvalues, A eigenvalues are lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3. Correct? Now they are asking A plus Ki eigenvalues. What are the eigenvalues of A plus Ki? Then immediately what you will say? For A I am adding Ki. So my eigenvalues also what I will add? K. Because matrix I am adding simple number I cannot add K into I am adding. Here what you will do? Lambda 1 plus K, lambda 2 plus K, lambda 3 plus K. Any doubt?
No, sir, under a square, it should be lambda 1 square plus k1.
Lambda 2 plus K, lambda 3 plus K. Any problem?
Sir, under a square, shouldn't it be lambda 1 square plus k1, lambda 2 square plus k2?
No. That is confused. This is the story over. Again I am writing A plus Ki. Oh, you are confusing here. Huh? Now happy? A is equal to lambda 1, lambda 2, A plus Ki. This job is over.
Oh, okay.
That story over, that to call that. Again, new story. If A is equal to lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3, then A plus. Otherwise, you can write like this. happy now? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now happy?
sir.
If A is equal to lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3, A is what? Lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3, A square is lambda 1 square, lambda 2 square, lambda 3 square, A plus K is lambda 1 plus K1, K, lambda 2 plus K, lambda 3 K. Suppose if they ask A square plus A means what you will do? Tell me.
Sir, can you repeat,
A
sir?
square plus A, what you will get?
A square plus A, you're saying?
Yeah. For that eigenvalue, sir, who is that fellow?
Lambda 1 square plus lambda 1.
Very good. Nice. Forward. Lambda 1 square plus lambda 1, comma, lambda 2 square plus lambda, comma, lambda 3 square plus lambda. Now you are familiar or not? You are master now.
Sir.
Clear or not? Yes.
Sir, if they
Tell me.
okay, now I understood. So A into A inverse will become 1, 1, 1.
1 by A inverse.
Yes, sir. So if it is A into A, then it will be lambda 1 into 1 by lambda 1, lambda 2 into 1 by lambda 2. It will be 1, 1, 1, no, sir.
What? A?
So you asked
Yeah,
that
yeah.
A square plus A.
Right. Correct. You got very good. Absolutely correct. Your theory is somewhat good. Logically correct. You are thinking correct in non-correct way, on track, but long ways problem.
Yes, sir.
What you understand is correct.
Okay, sir.
Now, A inverse also forget anything. A inverse lambda, how I will get 1 by lambda 1.
1 by lambda 2, 1 by lambda 3.
Now, clear or not? Now, tell me A square plus 3A plus 5. This eigenvalues, how you will get? Tell me. What are the eigenvalues? A square plus 3A plus 5. Why not 5?
Lambda square plus 3 lambda plus 5.
Coming.
Lambda 1 square plus 3 lambda plus 5.
Lambda 1 square plus
3 lambda
3
1 plus
lambda
5.
1
3
plus
lambda
5.
1 plus
5.
5.
Second fellow.
Sir.
Lambda 2 square plus 3 lambda 2 plus 5. And
Very
lambda
good.
3
Third
square
fellow.
plus 3 lambda 3 plus 5.
Very good. Enough. Any problem?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Very good. Enough. You are now masters. Now properties of eigenvalues forward, but the important thing is what? Sum of the eigenvalues is the trace. Product of the eigenvalues is what? Determinant. That you should remember. Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir.
That is very, very important. While doing the problem, it will be helpful. Okay. Copy down this fast.
Sir, can you please read out the second row?
What is second row? A square means lambda 1 square, lambda 2 square, lambda 3. A transpose means lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3. This you want, huh? A and A transpose will have the same eigenvalues. A square means what? Square of the eigenvalues of A. A cube means what? Cube of the eigenvalues of A like this. A plus Ki means what? Plus K you can add to the eigenvalue. Okay?
Sir, in the fourth row, second part, something like pi is written.
For A plus Ki, what you will get?
Not that, sir. Under that, something you just rubbed it.
Okay? Then,
Yes.
after that I written here, for A inverse I written, there is no place A inverse is written here.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Now take two eigenvalues of 3 by 3 matrix. Take down two eigenvalues of a 3 by 3 matrix whose determinant equal to 4. Matrix is what?
1 minute, sir. So quickly repeat the question.
Two of the eigenvalues of a 3 by 3 matrix whose determinant equal to 4 are -1 and 2. Find the third eigenvalue. What is telling? Two eigenvalues are -1 and 2. Its determinant is 4. Find the third eigenvalue. How you will do?
So minus the answer.
Huh?
So -2 is the third value.
How you got?
So you took lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 is equal to mod of A.
Right. Let eigenvalue story you have to start actually. Let lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 are the eigenvalues. Are the eigenvalues. We know that lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 is equal to determinant of A. But given is what? This fellow is lambda 1, this fellow is lambda 2. Correct? Two fellows given. Any problem?
No, sir. No, sir.
Then -1 into 2, then lambda 3 is equal to 4. So lambda 3 is equal to 4 by -2. That is equal to -2. So third fellow is what?
Sir,
Yes.
when we given that value, so we have to find lambda 3, sir.
What?
When we have given that values lambda 3, lambda 1, lambda 2, that A, we have to find lambda 3.
That is only question. Find the third eigenvalue. What is the third eigenvalue?
Okay, sir. Okay,
Question
sir.
accepts that only. Find the third eigenvalue.
Sir.
Next. Yes. Have you mute your mics? Now come on. Matrix A is -1, 0, 0, 2, -3, 0, 1, 4, 2. Find the eigenvalues of A square. How you will do? First of all, if you know A value of eigenvalues, you can able to tell A square. Who are the eigenvalues of A?
1, 9, 4.
Eigenvalues
-1, -3, 2.
Minus
Why?
1, minus 3, 2.
Why?
Because the upper half is 0.
It
Because it is the 0, 0.
Lower triangle or upper triangle?
Upper triangle.
upper triangle, sir.
So,
So no, sir. Lower triangle, it's
Either if it is lower triangle or upper triangle,
Lower.
what is diagonal elements you can taken for granted as a eigenvalues. Now given eigenvalues are always what eigenvalues of A is what, tell me?
minus
So
1, minus 3.
you have to think first seeing the matrix, find out. That's it, there is no condition. Actually, 3 eigenvalues means what 3 conditions we require. Nothing is given means what maybe lower upper triangle is acting as. So eigenvalues of A is what? Minus 1, minus 3, 2. Then A square is what immediately? Minus 1 square, minus 3 square, 2 square is equal to what? 1, 9, 4. Are you agree, sir?
Yes, sir.
Take another question. Take another question. Two eigenvalues of A is equal to what? Yes? What do you want? Now see, very good problem. Two eigenvalues of A is equal to some matrix are equal and they are double the third. Find the eigenvalues of A square. How you will do? First of all, you should find what is the eigenvalue of A. Then if you know A, you can able to do the A square. But to find A, one condition is given. Are equal. They all are equal and double the third eigenvalue. Then what are the eigenvalues? How you will choose now?
The lambda 1 equals to 2, lambda 1, lambda 2 equals to 2, and lambda 3 equals to 1. Then we can
Then
make
how
it.
you will choose? 1 you should not tell actually. In terms of lambda, I can tell.
Lambda 1 equals lambda 2 equals to 2 lambda 3.
That is the
Sir,
condition.
2 lambda 1 lambda 2 is equal to lambda 3.
No. What? See, two eigenvalues are equal and they are the
Yes,
double
sir.
the third one. So what?
Yes, sir. 2 lambda 1 lambda 2 is equal to lambda 3.
So first is lambda 1 is supposed to be lambda 2, and then lambda 3 is supposed to be 2 lambda 1 plus
No.
is supposed to be
Forget
lambda.
about it. Suppose you can take like this lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3. Now you can tell all in terms of lambda, you can tell me, give me.
In terms of
Suppose if we choose 1 is lambda, lambda 2 how it will, lambda 3 how it will, tell me. Lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 with t. But condition is what? 2 eigenvalues are equal. And they are the double the third one. So what?
Sir, lambda 1 is equal to lambda 2 and lambda 3 is equal to lambda 1 by 2.
Double the third one in lambda by 2 one. We will get.
Yes, sir. Then lambda 1, that's why lambda 1 is equal to 2 lambda 3. So we can take to that side.
Okay, frame, tell me then what you want, you can tell me. And then the equations you can find and tell me, then I will tell you later. See, very good condition. They are equal and they are double the third one. Third, double of the third fellow. So first who will fix actually?
the fixed lambda
Third
3
one, sir.
first.
Very good. Lambda 3 is equal to, you can say lambda. Then lambda 1, lambda 2, tell me.
There will be 2 lambda.
2 lambda
Very
square is
good.
equal to lambda 3.
Now come and tell me. Now who is lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3? Now you can tell me.
Sir,
Sir, 2 lambda, comma 2 lambda, comma lambda, sir.
Very good. Nice. That is my want actually.
So that's what I said. I told.
Very good. Okay. Then no problem. Sir, illa basically sound agute irukka. Good sound irukka irukka. Class lecture alla sir. Okay. Now suppose lambda 3 is equal to lambda means what? This 2 lambda, 2 lambda. What you said, sir? Yashas,
Yes, sir.
you said something lambda by 2,
I didn't get this, sir.
No, you told, I said same thing like this actually. You lambda by 2,
Oh.
lambda by 2.
So I said lambda 1, if you put lambda 3 equals to lambda, then lambda 1 equals to lambda 2 equals to 2 lambda. I told that in the beginning.
Okay, then correct. Got it. Then okay, happy. Same thing only. So first you can fix lambda. I don't know third lambda, what is the third fellow. But 2 fellows are equal means what? Double of that means what? Up to here clear?
Yes, sir.
Now from this first you can find who is the lambda. Then you can tell lambda square. Come on.
sir,
Tell me.
sir, is answer 441.
No, you tell me. Don't ask me. You give me. I know. I saturated actually. Morning 10 o'clock onwards, continuously.
Yes, sir, it's 441.
Sir, lambda equal to 2.
No. Eigenvalues of A. What are the eigenvalues of A? Tell me enough for me.
2, 2, 1.
All of you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All of you say okay, miss, I will write.
Yes, sir. 2, 2, 1.
How you will get, tell me? 2 lambda plus 2 lambda plus lambda is equal to 4 plus 3 minus 12 3. Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Then what you will get? 5 lambda is equal to
5.
5 lambda is equal to what?
5.
Lambda is equal to what? 1. Okay. Now right. If lambda is equal to 1 means what? Eigenvalues of A is equal to, tell me.
Sir, 2 to 1.
2, 2, 1, sir.
Yes, sir.
Of
2 to 1.
A is 2 to
2
1.
to 1.
Yes.
Then A square, once if you know A, you can play with whatever name you can able to write.
So
Now
4,
A square
4,
is
and
what?
1.
4, 4, 1.
4,
Very
4,
good.
and 1.
Then eigenvalues of A square is am I correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why Anish coming and going, coming and going? Now, okay, this problem also
Sir,
I
my
can try.
mic was not working first.
Okay. Not Anish Agarwal, I'm telling you. Anish Singh. In my laptop, Anish Singh left and joining, left and joining, left and joining.
Sorry, sir. Actually, I'm sometimes the voice goes out, so I have to rejoin the class
Okay, no
immediately.
problem, no problem. Oh, is
Thank you.
there Anish Singh? Yeah. He's there. Good.
It only takes like 2 seconds for me to rejoin. So,
Okay, no problem. This time ask me, don't worry, yaar. Come on, now. At least this probably can do. If clear about this, sir. Clear about.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, for this problem, I wind up fully saturated. I'm 200% saturation. If 2 and 8 are eigenvalues of 2 and 8 are the eigenvalues of 6 minus 2, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 1, 2, minus 1, 3, then sir, LKG problem, sir. 2 eigenvalues given, they are asking third eigenvalue. Can you able to do or not, tell me? 2 and 8 are the eigenvalues of this fellow. Then find the third eigenvalue. How you will do? Trace you can use.
Sir, lambda 3 equal to 2. Lambda 3 equal to 2.
Third eigenvalue is 3, 2.
Yes.
So how you know third eigenvalue can change lambda plus 2 plus 8 is equal to 6 plus 3 plus 3. So lambda plus 10 is equal to
12.
Plus 3 per lambda. So lambda is equal to 2. So third eigenvalue is what? 2. I need total output. First you can find A2 eigenvalue, A square, A, and all you can have is 3 eigenvalues. You can tell me fast, do. 2 minutes I'll come back. Now here eigenvalues of A is what, tell me?
1, 3 minus 2.
3 minus 1 minus 2.
A square.
194.
Very good.
Sir, 194.
A cube.
Sir, 127,
127, 8.
Minus 8. This is all you can add. I need 3 numbers for this equation eigenvalue. Correct?
minus 8.
Come on, do.
लैम्डा 1 4 आया ना?
हाँ भाई 4 आया 4
हाँ 4 lambda 1 4 आया.
Tell me, one minute, tell me, what is the answer?
1 minute, sir.
Okay, can give the address before that. 271. Starting number 271, you know? $271. Attendance. Sir, give attendance 272. Please, not 071. I think so. 71. Attendance, sir.
So the answer is 310. Eigenvalues, sir. 310. Eigenvalues are 310 and 10.
Sir, mine is 410 and 10.
Yeah, sorry. 410, 10.
Yes, sir. Same, sir. Mine.
Sir, 4, 110, 10, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct, sir.
The last simplification value. 4,
110.
110 and 10.
110, 10, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Where is the first number? 71, na? 71.
Sir is present. He has written in the chat.
Oh, chart I don't actually see. I am somewhere, my laptop somewhere, my computer is somewhere. Okay, anyone see me, he can tell me. 72,
Present, sir.
73,
Present, sir.
74,
Present, sir.
75, 76, 77,
Present, sir.
78,
Present, sir.
79, no, 80,
Present, sir.
81, 82,
Present, sir.
83,
Present, sir.
84,
84 present, sir.
85,
Present, sir.
86, 86, 87,
Present, sir.
88,
Present, sir.
89,
Present, sir.
90,
Present, sir.
water bottle, 91,
Present, sir.
92, 92, 93,
Present, sir.
94,
Present, sir.
95, 96,
Present, sir.
97,
Present, sir.
98,
Present, sir.
99,
Present, sir.
100, 100. Present? 101.
Present, sir.
102. அது ஐயா போயிட்டு இது மிஸ் ஆயிடுச்சா?
ஏன் வாட்டர் பண்ணிக்கோங்க சார், இன்னொரு கை
ஒண்ணுதான் இருக்கா இந்த
ஆமாம் சார்.
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ரவுண்ட் அது ஒண்ணுதான் இருக்கா? நானே மெசேஜ் அனுப்புறேன். 102. 102.
Sir, 79 present, sir. Sorry, sir, I had network
Okay.
issues.
102. 103.
Present, sir.
104.
Present, sir.
105.
Present, sir.
106.
Present, sir.
107.
Present, sir.
Then 5401 series. 1,
Present, sir.
2,
Present, sir.
3,
Present, sir.
4,
Present, sir.
5, 6,
Present, sir.
7,
Present, sir.
8,
Present, sir.
9,
Present, sir.
10,
Present, sir.
11,
Present, sir.
12,
Present, sir.
13, 13, 14,
Present, sir.
13 present,
Sir, 13 present.
14,
Present, sir.
15,
Present, sir.
16,
Present, sir.
17,
Present, sir.
18, 18, 18, 19,
Present, sir.
20,
Present, sir.
21 not there, 22,
Present, sir.
23,
Present, sir.
24,
Present, sir.
25, 25, 26,
Present, sir.
27 not there. So everyone given in options, sir?
Hello, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, I'm 95. I was present, sir.
90.
95.
What are you doing when I'm calling? See, options are 75, 76, 86, 92, 100, 102. You see the 54016, 5, 18, 25. Correct? Then you can leave, sir.
Thank you, 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 sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, bye. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, okay.
Thank you, sir.